Today, we'll see how the components of a 500 kV 3-phase integrated transformer are installed. High voltage bushings, high voltage neutral point bushings, oil storage tank, low voltage bushings, oil guide pipes, cooler, upper tank, lower tank, iron core, grounding pressure relief valve, terminal box, maintenance manhole, oil drain, ladder, oil pump control box, gas relay, low voltage bushing, pressure relief valve tree, ladders tree, maintenance manhole tree, high voltage bushings. Internal components, low voltage added parts fixed plate, core, tie rods on the core, high voltage added parts, core binding tie, low voltage added parts, high voltage added parts, high voltage outgoing line, neutral point outgoing line, no load voltage regulator switch core pull plate, high voltage winding laydown, high and low voltage winding pressure plate, low voltage outlet, low voltage for connection line. The main components have been introduced.